Here we have an astounding 1984 Chevrolet K10 Silverado 4x4 short box. Guys and gals, this is the right one. If you grew up craving these back in the day like we did, you'll understand why we're so excited about it. This thing is sweet. Truck just came to us fresh out of North Carolina. Folks that they had recently rebuilt and restored the truck. It's sitting on a 4-inch lift, suspension lift, I should say. It does have the disc brakes on the front there, you can see. But again, look down the side of this thing, the body, very, very solid. Look at, there's no signs of any Bondo or anything down there. Appears to have been a pretty solid truck when they started, and boy, does it show now. It's powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission in this one. It does have the trailer hitch on it. The box is in great shape as well. Nice bed liner in there. Toolbox that can come out if you don't like it. But again, look at how nice and rust-free inside the tailgate there, where these like to rust out. Absolutely amazing shape there. Now, obviously, with the lift and so on, it's got a firm ride. It's not terrible, but it does have a firm ride, of course. Anyone that's driven a lifted truck, you kind of know that goes with the territory. But man, again, take a look at the body lines. Get a peek inside here real quick. Again, just a nice, clean truck. It's got tilt wheel. It's a factory air-conditioned truck as well. It still has the factory AM/FM cassette player in it also. You can see that over here. Dash pad's in great shape. Seat belts there. Let's fire it up. It's got a nice sound to it, as you can hear. Nothing obnoxious, but just a nice sounding truck. Give it a little bit of gas. It's got a nice bark to it, just to let your buddies know that you're coming. Get a look under the hood here real quick. Has a nice steel cowl hood that's been put on it. It's not fiberglass. That is a steel hood. And again, you can see you got power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. It's got a new set of headers on it. Very, very nice truck. If you've been looking for one where all the work is already done, and guys, you know as well as I do, it's a lot cheaper to buy them than it is to build it. So don't miss your chance on this one. You can see all the still pictures of the truck, including the underside, on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available and trades are welcome as well.